Hi, I'm Will with RideTouch Electric. Today we're going to talk about plugs, switches in your home. First off, this is not a how-to video, so this is not designed for you to be able to fix anything in your home. We totally recommend, if there is an issue in your house that needs any repairs, for you to stop what you're doing and call a professional. Many people get hurt or killed every year trying to work on their systems, and so it is very unsafe. Right here, we have pulled out a standard plug that you'd find all through your house. This particular plug goes to the wash machine, and I wanted to just kind of point out a few things that are very important with any type of device that you have in your house. The number one thing that can really cause problems in any electrical system is loose connections. So when we come to a house, we go through each plug, we take our screwdriver, and we make sure that all the connections are tight throughout the entire device that we're working on. Loose connections, in my experience, are one of the number one things that cause fires, cause power outages, and cause very serious hazards in the home. The next important thing would be the grounding to the device. Grounding came out in the early 60s and has been developed through the industry for many, many years. It's one of the biggest things that gets changed every year in the electrical industry. The grounding is so important to your home. If there is an issue in your house, in the electrical system, then a proper ground will allow the breakers to shut down very quickly. This particular plug right here is for a dryer in your laundry room. If you notice, it's a lot larger than the other one. One reason for it is a heavy-duty plug. It is designed to carry a very large load. These you do want to be very particular and very careful with working with them because they do have about twice as much power as a regular plug or switch in your house. So we have pulled out a switch here for you. The same rules apply as the electrical plug. We go in and tighten down all the connections just to make sure that they're safe. I wanted to point this out to you. This particular screw here, as you notice, there's no wires connected to it. This is the ground screw for the switch. Multiple times we go in and find that these switches and plugs are not grounded properly. Installation like this would cause a breaker not to shut down if there's an issue. If you ever do have a breaker that is not tripping and you're having arcing or sparking or power outages, you need to be very careful. And we really need to, at that point, really address the electrical panel because you could have some major issues.